with SKM Industries, here to talk about our latest product, Repel-Aide Anti-Fog Anti-Static UV Protectant Spray for both glass and plastic. The reason we're excited about this product is because of the multi-use that it has for the home, auto, and industrial industries. In this video, we're going to show step by step on how the product is used and how effective it is. Stay tuned. So I have a windshield set up here, and on the right side we're going to be treating it, and on the left side we're going to keep steam. So I'm going to steam the entire windshield so you can actually see the difference of the before and after. So like I said, I'm steaming it. This is what you come across when it's hot. It's steamy in the car. It just fogs up. It's dangerous. So now with the 12-ounce kit comes the microfiber cloth. Make sure you clean the inside of your windshield. You want to make sure you get the dust and grime off. Then you're going to apply the spray. Make sure you get it everywhere because you want this nice thick coat. After you spray, you want to make sure you let it sit for 1 to 2 minutes so it applies and actually works. Now we're testing it, so I have the steamer again, and look, it repels. No more fog. It doesn't fog up, and remember, it's the right side we treated. The left side, you can see it's still foggy, it's wet, dangerous conditions. And so for that next car ride where you want to get out there, apply Repel-Aide Anti-Fog Anti-Static UV Protecting Spray because it will protect you on your next car ride. Again, it repels. We can see it work. So have questions, call the 1-800 number below and talk to one of our sales reps. They'll be able to help you. Thanks.